Alternative treatment of hemorrhoids, 3 recipes. 1. Aloe vera. Since it is a natural astringent, which means that it has the property of tightening tissues, aloe reduces hemorrhoids and speeds up their healing. This extremely medicinal plant has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties and is an excellent choice for treating painful and swollen veins. Chemicals in aloe known as anthraquinones act to soften the stool, greatly aiding digestion and relieving constipation. Aloe also contains the enzyme bradykinase, which greatly reduces irritation when applied externally to the skin. Application. Apply a small amount of aloe gel to the irritated area and massage very gently. 2. Spiny boar, Ruscus aculeatus. This plant has been used for medicinal purposes since ancient times, and it is also used in the treatment of hemorrhoids. It is characterized by a wealth of antioxidants and flavonoids. It also contains saponins and glycosides, which have anti-inflammatory and vasoconstrictive properties, which means that they narrow blood vessels, thus easing the problems of hemorrhoids. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, porcupine prevents fluid retention, strengthens veins and improves blood flow. Application. You can apply boar extract directly to hemorrhoids. You can also make tea from the leaves of this plant. Pour 1 teaspoon of wild boar leaves with hot water and let it steep for 10–15 minutes. Drink the tea 2–3 times a day for quick recovery. Do not overdo it with the amount of tea, as you may feel slightly nauseous. Also, this herb is not recommended for those taking anticoagulants such as warfarin. 3. Psyllium. Indian plantain or psyllium is obtained from the crushed seeds of the Plantago ovata plant. It has long been used in traditional medicine to help people who have digestive problems and stool constipation and who suffer from hemorrhoids. Thanks to the abundance of fiber, psyllium softens the stool and facilitates digestion. In contact with water, it swells and becomes a good laxative. In addition to acting as a real bowel cleaner, psyllium contributes to the creation of good bacteria in the intestines, such as bifidobacteria, which stimulate intestinal peristalsis. Application. Add 1 teaspoon of psyllium to a glass of warm water. Drink 3 times a day with meals for 2–3 weeks. Because psyllium absorbs water, drink plenty of water while using it to treat hemorrhoids. A few extra tips. Be physically active as much as possible. In this way, you will stimulate the work of the intestines, and thus prevent or relieve hemorrhoids. Practice sitz baths. Fill the bathtub with warm water, add some Epsom salt and sit in the warm bath for about 20 minutes. Instead of Epsom salt, you can add chilled black tea, which will also relieve discomfort and irritation around the anus. After the bath, gently pat dry the irritated area. Apply cold compresses to the irritated hemorrhoid area. This will relieve swelling and pain.